Rahul Raj, who started his career in an IT company, does a lot of shopping with credit card. He always opts for EMI to make his payments, but he has not yet understood whether this is a profitable deal or not. Credit card transactions are increasing rapidly in the country, so are the users. The number of credit card users in the country has more than doubled in the last 5 years. According to data from Statista, the number of credit card users in India was 2.98 crore in the financial year 2016-17. This increased to 6.2 crore in the financial year 2020-21.
Actually, people are finding it a good option to shop expensive products via credit cards. You get up to 45 days to clear your dues. Under the EMI scheme of credit cards, you can convert your payments over and above a minimum amount into equated monthly installments, which is called EMI. Through this scheme, you can avoid making the entire payment in one go. If you feel that you can pay EMI regularly, then you can choose this option.
Amit Tanwar, an expert in banking matters and founder of loansformsme.com, says that the companies like Amazon, Flipkart and Snapdeal allow customers to pay via EMI. So these companies bear the interest of credit upon themselves. These companies enter into agreements with banks and non-banking finance companies, that is NBFCs. But many times companies include the interest they pay on EMIs in the price of the product itself. The truth is that e-commerce companies, retailers and financial institutions together lure customers to shop via EMIs. Nowadays, it has become a marketing funda that customers should be encouraged to use credit cards as much as possible. If you get cashback or special discount offers when you shop via credit cards, then you can choose the EMI option. But it is better if you pay a lump sum. Shopping through EMI is expensive. You should try to avoid it. Actually, banks have different policies on the EMI scheme of credit cards. Therefore, it is important to have complete information on benefits available with your card and about what kind of charges will be applicable. Banks and credit card companies charge you a one-time processing fee for opting for EMI. This fee depends on the total amount of the purchase made or on the type of credit card. If you have a good repayment history and you are a patron, then banks can give you a concession in the processing fees. You can further negotiate. The payment amount that you want to convert into EMIs will be deducted from your credit card limit. If you get a cashback or any special discount offer on your credit card, then use it. Paying it in one go is a good option. Shopping via EMI is expensive. It should be avoided. If you have already opted to make payments via credit card EMIs, then you should know its pros and cons. If you have shopped for 30,000 rupees and your total credit limit is 1 lakh rupees, then it will be reduced by 30,000 rupees. As you keep paying the EMI, your credit limit will increase.
Many banks levy prepayment fees on payment made via credit card EMIs. You will have to pay the prepayment fees on the payment of the balance amount. If you want to use credit card EMI, then inquire how much prepayment fees you will have to pay. If prepayment fees is levied, then you can talk to your bank and remove it. But banks will only agree if you have a good credit history. Customers are often promised of free credit card EMI schemes, but it comes with many terms and conditions. If you violate even one condition, then you may have to pay an interest of more than 20%. So, you should shop keeping in mind your budget. However, many times you may have to do some necessary shopping. In such a situation, the EMI scheme of your credit card can really become handy.
Money9 suggests, if you are already shopping on EMI, then keep in mind that you may have to pay a heavy penalty if you delay your payment. Apart from this, the interest rate is also very high. Opt for EMI only when you have to do necessary shopping and when you have hardly any money left with you.